Hello everyone, I am Kiran from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. Today I am going to discuss one of the topic in Java programming, that is jump statements. Let's see introduction to Java programming. Java is a high-level programming language that was developed by Sun Microsystem in mid 1990s. It is designed to be a platform independent, meaning that Java program can run on any system that has a Java virtual machine, that is JVM, should be installed. Java is known for its simplicity, readability, and robustness, making it one of the most popular programming languages in the world. Now let's see jump statements in Java. Jump statements are used to alter the flow of control in a program. The three main jump statements are break, continue, and return. These statements allow us to exit or skip certain part of the code based on specific conditions. Using of break statement. The break statement is primarily used to terminate a loop or switch statement. When a break statement is encountered, the control is transferred to the next statement after the loop or switch. It is commonly used to exit a loop earlier if a certain condition is met. Now let's see flowchart of this break condition. When the condition is true, then it will move on to the break statement and print the output. If the condition is false, then directly exits the loop. Let's see example of the break statement. In this example, I have used class as a break loop demo, and I have used the for loop to iterate that iterates from 1 to 10. I have used then if condition. If I is equal to 5, then we have used break statement to exit the loop. This means that loop will terminate I becomes 5 and output will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then loop completes. Let's see using of continue statement. The continue statement is used to skip the rest of the current iteration of a loop. When a continue statement is encountered, the control jump to the next iteration of the loop. It is commonly used to skip certain iteration based on specific conditions. Now let's see flowchart of the continue statement. When the condition is true, then move on to the continue statement and print the code of blocks of code. Then move on. Then if the condition is false, then loop will exit. Let's see example for the continue statement. In this example, we have a loop that iterates from 1 to 5 that I have used for loop here. Then I have used if statement to check the condition. I have used the condition here. If I is divisible by 2, we can use the continue statement to skip the current iteration. I have used the continue statement to skip the even numbers. If the I is divisible by 2, it will skip the even numbers from 1 to 5. Then it will automatically print the output as 135. Now let's see using of return statement. The return statement is used to exit a method and return a value if the method has a return type. When a return statement is encountered, the control is transferred back to the caller of the method. It is commonly used to terminate a method permanently or return a specific value. Example of the return statement. In this example, we have a method called calculateSum that takes two integers as num1 and num2 as a parameter and returns their sum. Here we have used the return statement to return the sum. Inside the method, we calculate the sum and use the return statement to return the result. When the method is called, the sum is calculated and returned to the caller. Let's see the combining of jump statements. Jump statements can be combined to achieve more complex control flow in a program. For example, we can use a combination of break and continue statements inside a loop to control the iteration and termination. It is important to use these statements judiciously to maintain code readability and avoid creating confusion or hard to maintain code. Let's see summary. Jump statements are used to alter the flow of control in a program. The three main jump statements in Java are break, continue, and return. Break is used to terminate a loop or switch statement. Continue is used to skip the rest of the current iteration of a loop, and return is used to exit a method and return value. Key points are: jump statements are essential for controlling the flow of a program in Java. The break statement is used to exit a loop or switch statement. The continue statement is used to skip the rest of the current iteration of a loop. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.